make sure you have a basic somewhat alignment. Use the cord. Only for cars who have straight back wheels, which you cannot adjust. So this has a straight axle, nothing adjustable. So this is my technique. It's not 100%, but it will get you going in no time. So just get the cord around, and I just go around like this. And just a couple of turns here to make it catch on the wheel. Right up, like this, like that, like this, and like that, and like that, and like this. Up, it catches. So now you can go forward. Make sure you are touching the tire and not a plastic disc or a rim or something else. Oh, I hit my little chariot. Now I'm gonna take some measuring tape, or ollie. Too much stuff going on. Also handy, this one. A normal ruler. So as you can see, I am touching the back, the front side of the back wheel of the back tire. So this is what I call nearly straight. This should be straight. Back wheels are good. The wheel is the tire is equally yeah, you know what I mean. So no, the wear on the tire is equally distributed. That's what I want to say. It's late, my words are done. So here we have the front tire, and as we are touching the back of the front of the back tire, and there we go, we have a straight line. So it's not exactly, but you can see when you touch it. So you have to have a good eye, or someone else who helps you with. I have good eyes, so this is touching it barely, and I can see here there's a lot of toe in. So up, this is it. That's 2.8. That's it, 2.8 millimeters, centimeters. And here, distance is about, oh man, I apologize, my foot is still fucked up. So, here we have about 8 millimeters. That should be at 8 millimeters, yeah. So we have 2 centimeters more that the wheel is turned in. So 2 centimeters more of toe in. I like to put the wheels equal. So the distance should be equal. You can look it up, even in millimeters or degrees, what you should have. But on this method, really, it's not really on point. So, but the wear will be more or less, or from the first time, pretty good. So at least you can drive to the alignment shop if you really need it. If it's really good, why not? Why just keep it up? So before we do this, of course, we have to make sure the steering wheel is straight. That's also a good tip. Voila. So we're gonna turn the wheel to the outside, give it toe out for like 2 centimeters. When we do this, of course, distance here will increase. So I think it will take a couple of turns, 5, 6, something like that. So, of course, you see there with the wheel Steering wheel is centered. Also something that, yeah, you can do your best to get it perfect, almost perfect, but with a shop with lasers and a special alignment lift will get you the perfect result, of course. So let's give it some toe out. This Renault needs 22mm wrench, 13 and 19, and it's very simple, very simple. This is all new, as we replaced in the last video. Our side is done too, so just unscrew it a bit. And here we have the 13mm wrench that goes on it. And to give it toe out, we have to turn this in, so to the right. So we make the distance from the chassis to this side of the tire, we make it shorter. We tighten it. So the front of the tire is going out. That's why it's called toe out, you see? And if I turn it, when we do this, we should also cannot forget to undo this clip if it's not turning. But it's all new, so it will be turning pretty good. Else the boot will get stretched. So now we can see the wheel is if we focus a bit, now we see it exactly up, 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 and I think maybe one more. Yeah, it's time to check it out. The boot is not stretched, it's spinning inside, so that's good, that's fine. If it is, undo the clip, and of course at all times make sure the steering wheel didn't move. If it moved, we're doing nothing, so work for nothing, and that's not the point of doing this. So here we are again, and touching the back, and ooh, we're getting close, What do we have over here? So I'm gonna tighten a little bit. Yeah, this is touching the back tire just barely. So we have a centimeter point 2 here and a centimeter point 6-7 over here. Yeah, that's it. No, it's more. It should be free. Wait for it. Yeah, that's barely touching it. We have 2 centimeters here, and is this correct? 1.5 here. So still a bit of toe in. So we're gonna give it 1.5 more turns. There we go. And 1.5. Let's go. Let's check it out. That is touching it, yeah. Yeah, it's touching it. So 1.9, and in the back we have T is process 1.5, 1.45, something like that. Yeah, it depends how you measure it, of course. If you get the feeling for it, Yeah, 1.5 will be it. And here 1.89, something like that. So turn and a half, perhaps 2 turns. Or turn and a half. Up and up. It's a front wheel drive car. So normally we would have a little bit of toe out or 0. So 0 to a little bit of toe out would be pretty good on this car. Van, actually, little small van. So 1.8. That's 1.8, something like that, more or less. The bumper is cracked, so I can't rest my hand against the bumper too. What is wrong with these cars these days? Everybody is riding on stuff. So do we have 2 or what? Yeah, it's more like 2. So, and the other one is more like 1.6. 2 and 1.6, so still a bit to go. Doesn't matter how much exactly, we can see the difference. Should be equal. This time I'm gonna do it a little bit more. I'm gonna give it a little bit more instead. And you can just, if you spin the cords, you can see. Oh, there, it's not moving anymore. You see, this is yeah, this is correct. So, oh. Two. Yeah, that's 2. And here also. No. Here we got 2.5. So 2 and 2.5. Too much. I think 1 turn back. Let's do 1 turn back and see what we have there. Oh, I'm tightening up this one. Okay. Yep, not spinning anymore. So what do we have here? I'm sticking on something. That's what messing up my measurements. 2. And over there, what do we have? There's something on the tire. Yeah, that figures. 2 and a bit. Oh, almost equal. Almost equal. Yeah. That's it. That's equal. So let's check out the steering wheel. If it's still good, and you can also check it visually, but it's difficult to see on. Yeah. Of course, when you lower the car, you have to measure it again, and then you can be sure. So don't tighten it to the maximum. Just put the nut hand tight on there, lower the car, and then you can check again for an equal amount of distance. So now we're gonna check out steering wheel. and my bridge, my lift, told me to fix it. So yeah, that's still straight as far as I can tell. That's still, yeah, perfect. Not gonna crawl in there. I see it from here, so that's good. And where was I sticking on? Aha, so I was sticking on this little piece, still sticking out. Yeah, doesn't matter. So flat against here, if you spin the cord over there, it will do this, and when you touch it, it's silent, so it's not moving anymore. So that's how you basically do the basic alignments. And you can drive like that and then check out with a little meter your tire wear. If you're not going to the alignment shop and you have nice new tires on there, then you can stick one in here, measure it, and stick one over there, same point, measure it, and then you see the difference. And that's how you do the quick and simple alignment check on your car. So hope this does something for someone, and good weekend, and see you for the next one.